This seems to be the narrative that has now been built ahead of the elections that take place in Bihar. Let's move on now and talk about the bills that actually promote automatic removal of elected officials if they are arrested and detained for 30 days. That has now been referred to a joint committee of parliament. Remember, pretty dramatic scenes were being witnessed on the day that it was introduced. Now, which will now submit its report by the winter session of parliament. That will happen next by the end of the year. But the government and the opposition showdown seems to be far from over. Let's get you the update that is now coming in from the top ministers of the centre, who seem to have mounted a strong defence of the legislation, with the Union Law Minister citing the arrest of former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who refused to quit as the Delhi Chief Minister while he was imprisoned in the Liquorgate investigation. Also, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju shared how the Prime Minister refused any special exemption and rejected the recommendation to keep the post of the PM out of the ambit of the proposed legislation. So what does it say? When it comes to serious criminal charges, the position of the Prime Minister is not spared, the position of Union Minister is not spared, and the position also of Chief Minister is not spared.
जमानत के लिए जाएंगे, कोर्ट कहते हैं जमानत लाएंगे, केस नहीं है क्योंकि आप आरोपी हो और आरोप सिद्ध हो रहा है। ऐसे केस में उस आदमी को पद पे रहना चाहिए क्या? हमने देखा है ना साहब, दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री जेल गए फिर भी पद नहीं छोड़ा। ये तो एक प्रोग्रेसिव लॉ है, इसका समर्थन करना चाहिए।
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सारा कैबिनेट को बताया कि देखिए, रिकमेंडेशन में तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को इस प्रोविजन से बाहर रखा जाए, लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री नहीं माने। मोदी जी कहा कि नहीं, प्रधानमंत्री को एक्सेप्शन क्यों मिलना चाहिए? प्रधानमंत्री भी एक नागरिक है, वो कोई अलग से उसको प्रोटेक्शन या उसको स्तर नहीं होना चाहिए। जैसे बाकी है वैसे प्रधानमंत्री।
Well, in the meantime, let's get in a word from Tetri once again, who continues to be with us. Because Tetri, as far as the opposition's contention is, they are of the opinion that sacking anyone on mere allegations before they are even held guilty would be against the constitution and would give unbridled powers to the central government to take action against them.
Well, you see, Amita, a detailed description has already been given by the top ministers in the parliament as well, as far as this bill is concerned. And in fact, we saw that how high political drama was unfolded in the parliament. Slogans from protest to slogans, from throwing papers as well to the Home Minister Amit Shah while he was introducing or mentioning about this bill as well. But the reason because this bill is being introduced, because they want that the entire system should function properly and in a smooth way. And the example of former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been given multiple times by the several leaders as well, because in the national capital we saw that how when Arvind Kejriwal was arrested, he was not ready to resign from his post. Several times resignation was demanded from the BJP as well and from the people as well. But yes, he did not resign. He in fact stated multiple times that Sarkar to jail se hi chalegi. And then we saw that how there were obstacles for signing the files or in fact putting them forward. Then there were also war of words between the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi and then the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And then when he was out of the jail, he resigned. That is what in fact the government and the NDA leaders have been saying, that if the leader is arrested, then in fact if he has to resign, it is because for the smooth functioning of the government. And in fact the leaders have also in fact mentioned while speaking in the parliament as well that in fact after 30 days, if he is released on bail, then again he can become the Chief Minister or the Minister as well. And in fact we saw just how Kiran Rijiju, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, mentioning about Prime Minister as should also.
Has been pitching the 3 bills as an anti-corruption measure, has now referred this to a joint parliamentary committee for a relook. We'll come back to you, Tetri, on other developments.